All right, today we are going to put our name in these blocks. All right, the blocks are 5 wide and 7 tall. Your letters need to be as tall as the block. So here's how we do it. Let's say I was going to do, um, my name was Levi. So I'm going to come down here. I need to make an L. So I'm going to highlight down, come right here. I want those to be, it's Mr. Smith, so he's going to choose green. I want to come across here. I want those to be green. Boom. There's my L. And if I was going to do an E, I need this top row. Come up here. Let's choose a different one. Mustard yellow. Come down here. Mustard yellow. Boom. Come right here. Mustard yellow. Boom. And across the middle. Mustard yellow. Boom. And now I got to do a V. All right, so that's going to be, I'm going to use Control Y. Yellow, start right here. Yellow, 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 yellow. Nope, I did it wrong. Um, is that a V? Oh no, that's definitely not a V. Undo those last two. All right, sure. And then finally, let's do like a purple. And I need to do, I can go control paste if I want. Purple, 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 purple. Need all of this. I'm going to go control, copy, paste. I want purple the rest of these. Oh, I got to get a different color here. Oh, but I don't know. We're going to change that to yellow. We're going to change yellow to hot pink. Change that to hot pink. There, I got them all different colors. Boom. That's all I got to do.